Good morning, everybody, and welcome to BTC AI Price Prediction. My name is Predrag Daničić, and in today's video, like in every video, we will just take a quick look what was happening in crypto market, what is going on, and what was happening in last 7 days, what we can expect in near and medium future. Anyway, those lines that you can see, this drop here, this just second, this jump, drop and jump, and when I was mentioning this higher low, this is something I drove 2 weeks ago, and it ended up being relatively accurate, actually almost totally accurate, but on much shorter time frame. Yeah, we got obviously one lower high, but we got also higher low, which is really important, and this is first higher low after 34, count them as many as you want, lower lows. We had lower low here, lower low here, lower low here, lower low here, and now we had first time higher low here. Let me remove the drawings. And this is actually first bullish signal. In plain English, what does it mean? Everybody who wanted to sell already sold. And everybody who really wanted to sell, they had really good opportunities to sell for the current prices in last, well, how long it was, since March. End of February, beginning of March. So yeah, we are 6 months here, 200 days. 200 days, we are still at the same prices, and almost everybody who really wanted to sell and take out his profit, they done it. What is happening now is that new buyers are constantly coming in, and they are becoming stronger and stronger. Of course, we are still, last time we got rejected of top of so-called bull market support band. And this time, obviously, we got rejected from bottom of the bull market support band. So what we can draw here, I will switch to 30-minute time frame because I really like it. So what we have here is, let's remove this also. And I will, okay, I will remove this. And I will remove all drawings. So we have clear picture. Let's say that this was the bottom, and I will draw it something like here and maybe here. Okay, we will ignore those capitulations here, and we will ignore this capitulation here. So we will put you here, and we will put you here maybe, and I will delete you, and I will extend you. Then I am going to do the same thing from this side, of course, by ignoring maybe this part here, and just go from maybe here, go through the center of this, I guess. Okay, I will leave you here, never mind. It's good enough. Not perfect, but good enough. Anyway, let's switch now to 1-day chart again, and a resolution of our situation should happen around 10th of October. Interesting, this is, I think, the same day, 11th of October, are elections. So, yeah. How it will end? As I said, I am bullish from this moment on, and this is where I, after a long time, put all my money into crypto again. Then I was selling from time to time, especially this day, because I was basically forced to, because we had 11% jump in that day. But as of this moment, I ignored this jump here. Last time I sold here because I will explain later what I was doing. But essentially I'm waiting this drop, and I'm watching when it will stop. when this drop stops and when we start seeing some relatively good support, I will probably jump in. I said already it is possible that we already see it here, but anything above 55,000 for me is also completely fine. I would also switch to 30 minutes chart once more. I want to show you something else. Let's remove this drawing. Let's remove this drawing. Let's remove this drawing. So this is the speed of our jump approximately, and it is telling us that we will touch this line at 54,700 at Wednesday, 18th of September, so in 2 days. Yes, I'm still waiting, I'm still looking, but also it is possible that this will be our final support, which will be extremely bullish. I am waiting. If I see significant move on the upside, I will probably buy. If I see continuation of going down, I will probably buy at 54,000 and call it a day. I will also see, but most likely I will mostly buy some altcoins and that's it. This will be then everything what is left for me to do after that will be just waiting for continuation of this bull run. I again don't expect extremely big prices for the end of this cycle. I am expecting less than 100,000 Bitcoin. I will probably sell at 85 if we reach there. And I am expecting that we will reach this price. Let's jump to Bitcoin dominance. Yeah, this was my drawing from before. Obviously that this support. Okay, I am going to remove some drawings that I was picking last time off, but I am going also to leave some. Yeah, anyway, last time I said that there is possibility to go to 59,000, but I also say that there is also high chance to stay there, so I cannot say I was completely correct in this regard. However, take a look. Yesterday, Bitcoin was really jumping in dominance, and 2 days ago. Let's see what happened yesterday. Bitcoin was dropping. 2 days ago, it was really jumping up. But in between, when Bitcoin is slowly jumping or slowing going up or slowly falling, dominance is still going down. And yeah, I think that Bitcoin dominance run will relatively soon end. As soon as we find bottom, I am expecting that Bitcoin dominance will end its run and we will finally start seeing fall of Bitcoin dominance. That was because we are again, just to show you, this was the start of our bull run last time. Actually, this was the this was the start of our bull run last time, if you remember, in 2020, and it is possible that this time we will see that Bitcoin dominance start falling as Bitcoins goes up, because alts really bled a lot in last several years. More or less, that is all from me. What is left for me is just to show you AI script. What is it predicting? It is constantly bullish, but last 3 predictions were correct somehow. But it is, as you can see, when Bitcoin falls a little bit down, it is becoming more and more bullish over the time. And we will see the accuracy of this script at the end of the year. It is not pretty accurate, and it is about a little bit more accurate than just flipping a coin. So I'm not putting a lot of hope in it, but I will improve it, and I will definitely try to play with AI in the future just for my own fun. That's all from me. I'm leaving this graph as it is for now, and we will see what we will have next week what we will have to speak about. But if I'm betting man, and as I said, I'm in crypto world, so I am betting this, something like this. Hopefully we will see. Of course, it is possible that it jump backs up. I will on both of my Telegram channels, I will write every my move in the market whenever I'm selling or buying. Yeah, I forgot to say from the last video, for those 5 viewers that watched last video, I have to say that daily chart on this day here, I think I sold all my, or this day here, I sold, yeah, this day here, I sold all my Uniswap to Bitcoin, to US dollar, and I was 100% if Uniswap for about 7 days. It was a relatively good trade. I got about 4-5% on in USD value and about 3-4% in Bitcoin value. But next day, what I did in anticipation of TV challenge between Trump and Kamala Harris, I bought Bitcoin again, and Bitcoin next day dropped for about 1.5%. So almost my all gains were wiped here, or a really good percent of gains. After that, I just sat down in stable coins, and I was waiting resolution of this situation. Luckily, this resolution, it looks like it is going down, and hopefully I will have chance to buy for same or similar price that I sold. Actually, now it's almost the same price that I sold last time. So yeah, that's all from me. Thank you. Thanks a lot for watching, and goodbye.